Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to add star symbol in Excel. So for the standard solid star symbol you need to type the formula, put the equal sign, type UNICHAR, open the bracket, put 9733 code, close the bracket, hit enter. You can apply this formula to the all rows. So if you want to insert the white star, press F2 and change the code to 9734, hit enter, and like this one. If you want to insert the asterisk, you need to press F2 and change the code to 42, hit enter, and here it is. If you want to give the stars for the rating, for this you need to use this formula. Put the equal sign, type REPT, open the bracket, type UNICHAR, open the bracket, type 9733, close the bracket, comma, space, select the cells reference for the rating and close the bracket, hit enter, and here it is. You can easily drag this formula to the other rows. You can change the color as well. From here you need to put the red like this one. You can also combine star with the text. For example, you need to put the formula, type UNICHAR, open the bracket, type 9733, open the bracket, space, ampersand, space, double quote, space, put the ampersand, space, double quote, and type the desired text. For example, excellent, double quote, complete the formula, and here it is. You can drag it to all rows and press F2 to change it to the bad, and this is very bad. So this way you can easily add star symbol in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.